In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DocuSign PowerForms and introduce you to a better alternative for an efficient 2025 experience. Let's dive in to ensure you're getting the most out of your e-signature solutions. First, let's start by navigating to DocuSign. Head over to their website and log in if you haven't already. This is your hub for all things electronic signatures and where the magic starts happening. Once you're in, look for the Agreements tab. Clicking on it is crucial because it's where you'll manage all your templates and set up the PowerForms. This tab is essentially your command center for dealing with multiple documents smoothly. After accessing agreements, direct your attention to the PowerForms section. PowerForms are versatile templates that you can deploy to collect signatures and other data without needing to send individual requests. It's like setting up a self-service counter for people who need to access and fill out forms independently. You just share a link and the rest is streamlined and automated. If you don't see the PowerForms section, don't worry, you might need to upgrade your account, which brings us to our next step. Locate the upgrade option and give it a click. Here, DocuSign provides several plans tailored to different needs. For personal use, the personal plan might suffice, but if you're frequently dealing with a significant number of documents, consider the standard unlimited option. For businesses that require advanced features and unlimited sending, the Business Pro Unlimited is a worthy investment. Each plan offers specific benefits that can cater to individual or business requirements, so assess your needs carefully before proceeding. Once you've selected and upgraded to the plan that fits your demands, you'll unlock access to PowerForms. This means you can now set them up and start benefiting from this efficient solution. The upgrade essentially tailors your DocuSign experience to a level where managing and organizing e-signatures blends effortlessly into your operations, whether personal or business. Now that you're all set up with PowerForms, you can create forms that participants can fill and sign with just a click. All that's left is to design your forms, keeping them straightforward and easy for users to navigate. This often involves dragging and dropping elements, writing concise instructions, and ensuring every field that needs attention is highlighted. In conclusion, while PowerForms offer immense flexibility and efficiency for handling electronic documents, keep an eye out for better alternatives that may suit your evolving needs even more as we advance into 2025. Always stay updated with new tools and enhancements that can transform your document workflow even further. Thanks for joining this tutorial and happy e-signaturing!